Hey folks, this is Basant here, and today's video I am going to talk about Grigora. This is the AI website builder. With the help of you can generate the high performing website instantly. And the best part, you don't need any email, CRM, leads manager, plugins, hosting, CDN, everything will be managed and given by the Grigora. Right now, this amazing AI website builder is available on the AppSumo lifetime deal starting from the $59, and it has the 5-tier plans, and every tier plan can give you the extra website access and the page views and the analytics and all this stuff that you can see right now here. So before this deal or the pricing going to be the increase, I suggest check out this lifetime deal. The link will be given in the description. Now let me show you that I have just purchased the Grigora tier 1 to give you testing and the demo about this tool, and I'm going to generate the live website in front of you. So once you activated a deal, this is the website how you are going to land in, and here you have to start using it the platform with the website name. For example, my website that I'm going to build for a hair salon, so let's give it a name like the Basant Hair Salon. Okay, now click here on the next, and now it will show you the templates. Basically this is something like the themes which we usually use on the PHP sites or the WordPress here. So I'm going to select any of one that then we have also this filtration option available. Like I am creating the website for giving my hair salon services, so like I have to select anyone. Like I will go with the health here, and let's see if I able to find any good one. Okay, so you have to give a little bit time here to find out a really good template for you. Okay, so let me go with the all educational health photography portfolio. Okay, the portfolio I think should be the fine for me because I want to show the glimpse of the images, all this stuff. So let's go with this, selecting this one here. So I have selected my theme or the template here. Now it is asking me to select the color palette or the prime colors for my brand here. So it has the multiple color palettes available. Okay, so you can see instantly I am just building my website with this AI here. Okay, so I think this looks really good here, and I have selected this one. Okay, this looks really good. Now I'll click here on the continue, and now it is asking me to select the font. I think this one looks really good here. Click here on the build my website, and now this is the something kind of the process bar, a plain landing on, and I think my website is built. Okay, the website is built. Now I have to do the customizations. So that is how much easy to build your website. And let me tell you, I didn't need to buy the hosting, connecting with the hosting, or installing the SSL or the CDN. This is going to around cost to something the dollars plus the 2 days, around the 48 hours to set up everything, those stuff here. But with the Grigora I had just set up in just 2 minutes or less than. Let me click here on the skip. So this is the dashboard here, and now with the editor I can just start creating the pages. Okay, so I will go with here, that is the layout. Okay, because first I need to start building the layout of the website. So you can see this is right now the website layout here, and if I click here on the customize, I can just customize starting, or if you want to change the layout or the template that on the starting I have showed you, you can also change from here. Okay, so that is the thing clear. Now let me click here on the customize, and boom, we are here on customizing the site. So let me show you how much it's easy to customize your pages, the layout, or overall website design here. Okay, so first let me click here on the skip. So you can see, for example, I want to change this text here. Simply select this element, and now on the right side I have the editing options available. For example, I want to change this text here, so simply go to this typography. Okay, or this customization option. This is the setting options. Okay, let's see. Okay, I think I need to yeah, on the main screen I can change it here. Okay, so hi, I am Basant Kumar, and here I can add the prompt or the my hero section text here. So what I suggest, also use the ChatGPT or the Merlin to generate these text fast enough. So I am using right now the Merlin Chrome extension, so this will easily let me to use its all of the popular AI models. For example, right now this is ChatGPT 4.0, but I can use all the popular AI models here by selecting it. And now let me just give it the command, give me hair salon landing page text for my saloon named Basant Hair Saloon. Okay, so this is the prompt I have given, and now it will give me the all the landing pages text here. Okay, now you can see here, welcome to Basant Hair Salon. So I will just simply copy this text here. I will just replace everything stuff. Delete, add. Okay, this looks really good. Now this is the thing I need to change, so I will simply copy it and select all text, paste it, and boom, it is done here. Okay, now let me go down below here, and you can see this is the about me section. So now let me copy this stuff again, double click, select all text and paste. Boom, this is how much easy to just crafting your landing page here. I can also instantly change the image here. So simply select the image layout, and now you can see this is the section I can just change the images. Okay, so now if I go to this option, you can see this is the color. I want to change the background colors, the overlay, I can do that. This is for the settings. Suppose you want to add the shadow effect, so simply I need to this one and simply click here on the plus, and now this shadow effect will be the added here. So that is the beautiful. Okay, and instantly I can create same thing. I can do all these pages here, and in the end my page or the website layout will be the build. And once everything is done, I will simply click here on the publish button, save here, and then save and publish. And now my website that I have just built, saved and published, I can just go to here and check out. This is how the fast website is loading. Right now what I can do, I can also just add my custom domain here. So let me show you how you can do that. You can see this is the published option available. I have to go to the settings, and here I have the website URL. Okay, but I want to change it. So, and now I think I can just change the my custom domain from here. You can see this is the subdomain. Right now let's see where's the I can just change the, let me go to the settings again. This is general, page, main, website name. Yeah, you can see this is for the option for the custom domain. So here I can just connect my custom domain. All I need to just add the domain name, then connect, and after that I have to change the name service, and boom, within just few seconds my custom domain is also added. Okay, then this is all the, you can see the settings available. If you want to invite your team members or the collaborators, you can do that here. Want to add the custom codes, you can do it from here. We have also the migration available. We have the newsletter. You want to do the email marketing, this is the single platform that also offers with the SEO, the AI power features, the API, the custom fonts. Then we have the integrations available to connect the analytics or the site verifications for the Google search consoles or the other webhooks. So that is the thing that is going to offer everything. Now you want to add the blog post in your websites. So this is how this section you can use to adding the blog post. So right now this is some demo blog post I have added, and within this same section I can also send the emails as the newsletter. Then this is the directory settings. You want to add the directories for your different franchisees or the different locations, you can add it here. Suppose you want to also add the portfolios, you can do it here. This is the newsletter separate dedicated section. This is for the SEO, this is for the analytics. You want to do the keyword research, boom, we have also a dedicated section available. We have the all the images, videos, documents, file sections available. Here you can manage your team members and the to-do or the tasks you have given them. So right now in the tier 1 plan I have also got the 15k AI credits that I can use to generate the text, the images, all this stuff on my main website. So this is dashboard section that is going to give you all the bird's eye views on your page views, unique, bounce rate, everything. So this is the good stuff here. You want to also add a new post, you can do it instantly using this button here. Okay, so this is how you can use the Grigora to build your branded websites instantly, which included email, SEO, all the analytics, the webhooks, the integrations, all this stuff without just paying the extra for the plugins. And the best part, I am also getting the hosting, the CDN, the CSL, the custom domain connectivity. instantly here. It has a tons of templates available. I can use and change the layout that I have showed you how much easy to do that here. Okay, so right now, like I said, it's lifetime deals available starting from the $59. But what I suggest, go with at least the tier 2 or the tier plan or the higher plans. But the tier or the tier 5 plan, you need the plus exclusive. So I think for the tier 3 plan or the 2 plan, you will get the extra website limits, the extra leads that you can capture, or there's also the webhook feature available that is not available in the tier 1. That's why I suggest go at least with the tier 1 or with the tier 2 or the higher plans. Okay, so that's all for today's video I want to talk about. I hope you enjoyed. If you want my suggestion, this is the really good platform. The UI is super easy to use and the understand. I'm getting the so many things under the one hood, and I don't need to pay the any annual or the monthly charges. For example, hosting need to pay the every year, the CDN charges need to pay the every year, the SSL needs to pay the every year, the keyword research tool that you are going to use or the email marketing tool that you are going to embed in your website for the capturing the leads or any the lead generation tools or the plugins, you need to pay every year. But here in just starting from the $59, I'm going to all this stuff in the one platform. That makes the Grigora one of the best advanced or the super high performing website builder on the AppSumo available with the lifetime deal. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe this channel to stay updated with all these kind of the AI tools and the SaaS platforms. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.